Aloha, welcome, and thank you for registering for our Online Language Pedagogy Series 2022, Engaging Online Language Learners Through CEL. This series is being hosted by the National Foreign Language Resource Center at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. This series will highlight how online language instructors can use the social-emotional learning framework to engage students in the virtual classroom and enhance the experience and satisfaction of learning a language online. Topics will include highlighting learner self-awareness, promoting self-management and self-motivation, expanding social awareness through online extracurricular activities, teaching responsible decision-making through storytelling, and building positive relationship skills in a supportive way. Our webinar series will occur over the course of 5 weeks and will have 5 different topics that we will explore during each session. In our first session on January 27th, we will explore integrating CEL in online language classrooms and promoting self-awareness with students. On February 3rd, we'll explore CEL and engagement in virtual classrooms and building compassion and curiosity in online learning. On February 10th, our topics will be CEL in the World Languages Classroom, developing responsible decision-making through storytelling, and beyond basic storytelling. On February 17th, we'll explore fostering community and an online learning environment, and raising social awareness through cultural connections. Finally, on February 24th, we'll explore sharing ASL tools for world language teachers to leverage, and positive interactions in the online language classroom to improve relationship skills. Participants in our webinar series have the opportunity to earn a badge provided they've met the following criteria. Participants must learn about strategies for engaging online language learners through CEL, attend and actively participate in at least 4 out of our 5 live webinars, post responses to discussion prompts in at least 9 out of our 10 TED Ed lessons, and finally complete a 3-2-1 reflection for each webinar session. As part of our series, we will be posting TED Ed lessons on each topic that we'll visit during our webinar series. To create an account, you can visit our series webpage and scroll down to the bottom. And there are instructions to create your TED Ed account by clicking the link that's provided. Participants who wish to earn a badge will also need to complete 3-2-1 reflections. The 3-2-1 reflection is a brief summary report to complete after each webinar. In the reflection, you'll provide a summary of 3 things you learned, 2 things you plan to implement in your class, and 1 question that you may still have. To create your own 3-2-1 reflection form, you can go to the reflection template and follow the tutorial to create your own copy. On our series website at the bottom in the Q&A section, you can find your own link to the reflection template, and the link to the tutorial to create your own copy can be found here. Those participants who earn a digital badge may be eligible to earn a CEU credit. CEUs require 10 contact hours during the class. Participants must attend at least 4 of the 5 live webinar sessions and join discussions and activities during the webinars. If you need to miss a whole session or part of a session, you will be asked to watch a recording of the footage that was missed, which will be available in the TED Ed lessons, and complete a webinar summary report. Any participant from NC Virtual will be automatically considered for a CEU credit. Participants from other schools who wish to earn a CEU credit must provide the name, title, and contact information, phone and/or email of the supervisor who will be responsible for approving or awarding the credit in their registration form. Please contact the email address listed on the screen if you have any questions about this. Our webinar series will span 5 weeks, and the dates for our webinars are listed on the screen. We will begin promptly at the top of the hour, and some of the time zones where participants often join us from are listed on the screen for your convenience. We warmly welcome participants from time zones all over the world. My name is Sarah Booten, and I will be serving as your series facilitator. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or concerns, and I will be more than happy to guide you through anything. Mahalo, and thank you again for registering and watching our introductory video on the series. We look forward to the presentations and look forward to seeing you in our future webinars.